Unmasking the agents in passive voice, keeping your English clear and precise. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our Intermediate English Grammar series. In today's lesson, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: using appropriate agents in passive voice sentences. Specifically, we will focus on the definition of agents in such sentences. As always, our aim is to help you improve your English, making it more clear, accurate, and confident. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the heart of the matter, let's quickly recap what the passive voice is. In a passive sentence, the object of an action becomes the subject of the sentence. That means the subject is acted upon by some outside force. For example, the book was read by Mary. Now that we've refreshed our memory about the passive voice, let's explore what an agent is. In the context of passive voice sentences, the agent is the person or thing that performs the action. In other words, the agent is the doer of the action. To illustrate this, let's revisit our previous example. The book was read by Mary. Here, Mary is the agent because she is the one performing the action of reading. Remember, the agent is often introduced by the preposition by in English. Choosing the right agent can drastically alter the meaning and clarity of your sentence. When using the passive voice, we must ensure the agent we choose clearly conveys who or what is performing the action. Misuse can lead to confusion or misinterpretation. Take the sentence, "The cake was eaten." Without an agent, we're left wondering who did the eating. If we add an agent, the sentence becomes, "The cake was eaten by the dog." Now, it's clear who the cake eater was. While the agent is important for clarity, sometimes it's better to exclude it. This usually happens when the agent is unknown, irrelevant, or understood from the context. For instance, "My purse was stolen." Here, we don't know who the thief is, so there's no need for an agent. That brings us to the end of our lesson on using appropriate agents in passive voice sentences. Remember, understanding and using agents effectively can enhance the clarity and precision of your English. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. I hope you find this video helpful and see you in our next lesson.